everyone, how you doing? Good afternoon. So today's a little bit different. The company called Beebeecraft contacted me via email and asked if I would review some of their products. Now their link will be below. They have what they call a YouTube program, I believe. I believe that's what it's called. And sometimes they contact you, or you can contact them if you want to try out some of their products. Now, they emailed me a few weeks ago, so I said yes, I'll do it. So what they require from a content creator is that you have 100 subscribers or more, and they like you to do an unboxing of what they send you, and you get to choose what you want. And as long as it's around $40. And I'm thinking that's US because I'm in Canada, but the email with the information of what I ordered was shown in US dollars. So, yeah, so then you make another 2 videos showing what you've created, what you've crafted with the items that you got. So there is no cost to you whatsoever. That's how reviews work. No cost for the items, no cost for shipping, nothing. Zero cost to the content creator. Yeah, so let's get started. I got the items yesterday. I actually did open the package on camera, but because they packaged it so well, it was taking too long. It was making too much noise for a video. So I deleted that. I'm going to show you today. Everything's all slit open. All right, so this is from China. All right, this is the package they sent it in, covering up my address. So then when you open the package, you find all this bubble wrap that was taped really well around all of the items together. Okay. So first of all, I will show you one item, the first item. What this is it says on their site, and I haven't counted them, about 70 pieces of mini gift card envelopes with a heart clasp. 4.1 inches by 2.8 inches. You can use them for wedding name cards, thank you notes, on flower arrangements, and many more crafting items. But this is what it said on their website. So this was $11.72 US. I'll take them out. They come in 14 colors. And they come in this resealable bag, which is awesome. So there they are, and all these different colors. Purple. And they feel like they're good quality. So I folded one up to make the envelope. That's how they close. Very simple. So that is the first item. And then the second item, it's this ribbon. Now there's 20 rolls in here, 200 yards, 7/8 inches wide lace ribbon, mixed colors. They say on their site, wedding decorating, sewing, hair bow making, gift wrapping, and then I added paper craft embellishments like on cards, etc. This was $13.59 US. Comes in this resealable bag, and they also come in another resealable bag. Let me take one out and show you. Each ribbon, see all those beautiful colors? Each ribbon has a pin that holds it so it doesn't unravel. And look at the design. I believe the design is the same on them all. I believe it is. It looks like it is. Okay, now this is the ball of ribbon. Look at that. Look how much is on there. And like I said, there's 20. You get 20 in this bag. And the price was $13.59. The next item. And it's really cool, you get to choose the items. And so this is a package of stickers. It's 3 sheets of 3D resin stickers. You can use them for nail art, scrapbooking, phone case decor. And this was, for the 3 sheets, was $8.49 US in a resealable bag. Love these bags. And you take them out, and the stickers, I took the stickers out. This is called the Lunar Tears. And let me just show you. This is the packaging each of the sheets of stickers comes in. Now see, there's stars and stuff on there. You could use these for making shaker cards. Bonus. All right, and also another bonus is they sent me not just 3 sheets in here, they sent me 4. There are 4 sheets of stickers. So let's take a look. Okay. I think a couple got stuck on other sheets because I had all the sheets just kind of on top of each other. So there they are. They're raised. I think they're very, very pretty. These are diamonds and gems and things. Very, very pretty. What do you think? And then the second one in here is planets. Shooting stars, planets. Yeah, I think they're very pretty. And then we have, these are fish and shells, starfish, jellyfish. Okay, that's what was in this package that was called Lunar Tears. Now, I don't know if they accidentally slipped another one in there. And then this one's actually my favorite because it has kitty cats on it. Yes, so my package included the stickers, all this ribbon, and these about 70 envelopes in different colors. I didn't count them, but they do say about 70. And this came to $33 American, US money. Oh. Just from the sticker that came off. So I think it's a pretty decent deal. Now I don't know if that included shipping or not, because I did not see that on the email. But I'm happy. I'm happy with the contents. I mean, these are gonna last a long, long time. I probably won't even have a chance to use all these in my lifetime. The rest of my life. And then, I mean, there's so many of these too. And the stickers are just lots of stickers, beautiful stickers. All right, so all the information will be down below. And yeah, I'll put the link to their website. I'll put the link for each of these items in case you'd like to order some. I'm not affiliated with Beebeecrafts at this time, so any links down below are not affiliated links. If you buy stuff, that's great. If you don't, I don't care. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I won't get anything if you buy something from the link below. So yeah, I'm really happy with my stuff. It was well packaged. Nothing was damaged. Nothing could really be damaged. I didn't have anything that was really breakable. They sell like the paper crafting supplies. They sell, if you're a jewelry maker, sell jewelry making supplies. Oh, there's just tons of stuff on their website, and I could spend hours, and I did. I spent maybe a couple of hours looking through everything, picking out what I wanted. I wanted to try a lot more stuff, but you're allowed $40, which is fine. I mean, that's generous, I think, at no cost to you. So if you want to get involved, the YouTube program link will be below, the information to it, and the site and everything. So thank you so much for joining me today. And so I'll be making 2 more videos in the next couple of weeks showing some items that I've made with these items. All right, some crafting stuff. I have tons of ideas. All right, see you guys soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, I also wanted to add that they contacted me a few weeks ago. They sent my parcel out within like 2 days after I ordered everything. And let's see. So they shipped it October 14th. They said it would take about 25 to 45 working days to get to me here in Canada from China. I got it November 6th, and this is 2020. So it took 23 days to get to me. So roughly 3 weeks. And so it was faster than they said, because they said between 25 and 45 working days. So it was faster than they said. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that too. All right, thanks. Bye-bye for now.